Hi friends, welcome to Situ's Biology and Creativity. Today our creativity is how to make the phone stand during the charging. The required materials are the bottles and any cloth, paper cover cloth, and one gum, sketch, any type of the sketch you can take, and also the scissor. These are the required materials for making the phone holder during the charging. Let's start the procedure. At first we have to take the bottle, any type of the bottle we can take, and with the help of the sketch we have to draw the shape of the phone holder like this. So now I am going to draw the shape of the phone holder to the bottle with the help of the sketch. I was drawn the shape like this. So just see how I was drawn the shape. If you want to increase the height of the back part, you can increase also. It's based on your mobile, what you are using, based on the height of the mobile. So like this we have to draw the shape of the phone holder with the help of the sketch. Later with the help of the scissor I am going to cut the shape what I was drawn before on the bottle. Let's cut the bottle shape. So finally we was cutted the shape of the phone holder during the charging. So now our holder was ready. Now we have to design it. Later with the help of the shape scissor I am going to shape the upper part of the bottle for making it look beautiful. So with the help of this shape scissor only I was shaped the upper part of the bottle. After shaping the upper part of the bottle, later we have to take the sketch and we have to draw the rectangular shape on the upper part of the bottle where I am going to show in the video. So let's draw the shape. Like this we have to draw the shape on the upper part of the bottle with the help of the sketch like this. Later with the help of the scissor or the knife, that's your wish, you have to cut that shape with the help of the scissor I am going to cut it. Let's cut. Finally the shape was cut it with the help of the scissor. Now the extra part was removed from there. Later we have to take the cloth carry bag like this. Now we have to cut the sides of the carry bag for making it enlarge the length of the carry bag, that is nothing but the cloth carry bag. With the help of the scissor I am going to cut the shapes. After cutting I am going to paste it to the phone holder. So let's cut the carry bag. Like this we have to cut the sides of the cloth carry bag like this. Now it is ready to paste to the phone holder which was prepared from the water bottle. Let's stick it to the bottle with the help of the gum. So like this with the help of the gum I was pasted the cloth carry bag with the first layer. So it looks very transparent, right? Now I am going to paste the second layer also. So the second layer of the cloth carry bag was also pasted to the phone holder. So now it looks very pretty, right? Now allow it to dry for some time for making it to stick to the bottle carefully, and the extra partitions what were present in the upper part of the bottle was cutted with the help of the scissor. So later for the decoration purpose I used the sketch and I am going to keep the dots on the complete surface of the bottle like this. So like this we have to keep the dots on the paper carry bag what was sticked to the phone holder which was made from the bottle like this. Just allow it to dry for some time for making it stick properly to the bottle. Now it looks very pretty, right? So finally our phone holder was ready. Like this we have to stick to the charger and replace to the plug box, and we can keep the mobiles like this. So finally our phone holder during the charging was ready. It is very useful, right? And it is very strong also. It looks very beautiful, right? On any plug box you can keep it and you can use it to the phone charging purpose. I think you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe.